Okay, so new arrivals today. Part of something I got here. And we have another box here and two boxes here. One, a couple of 10, I guess. Ooh, that looks like a nice piece. Haha, that's two of these, I believe. Okay. It's a signal transmitter system with a cathode ray tube observation. And we have over here, this one I'm building up. Finish that off next week, I guess. Right, EVO? The inspector. Let's see here. Nicely covered. Take a look at this stuff. Ooh, yeah. Pretty heavy. Let's gotta use both hands. Yeah. Both hands. Very nice. Very heavy. eBay. What's this all about? Now I'll film it and take care of the boxes. Two of these. Signal generator. Got a scope to it. Ooh, wow. There's only two of these remaining, and I got the two, and there's a bunch more coming. Different things. Very nice, brand new for Christ's sake. Yeah, that's a cool sport. The other one's underneath it, I believe. Although it seems heavier, but we'll see. It could be added things. There is added things here. Power cord. That looks brand new, this stuff. Cord is like very soft, flexible. Must be recent surplus. Because it looks brand new. Okay, so. Three minutes. Oh, doing that. Still warm, so I'll get to this now.